Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Mohsin Kazi from Zeal College of Engineering Research Pune, first year student of electrical branch. Under the project based learning activity, I am going to show two staircase wiring for home under the guidance of Aarti Sudke ma'am. First point is the staircase wiring system. Staircase wiring or multi-way switching or two-way light switch wiring is a commonly used connection to control a load from two different positions, that is from above or below the staircase, from the by side of the bed or door, indoor or outdoor. Staircase wiring helps to operate a lamp from two frequently using positions and also to off the load after use if the load is a lamp or something that is used for only passage from one position to another. What is the purpose of two-way switch in a staircase wiring? It's the second point. The idea of providing a two-way switch in a staircase is simple. One switch is provided at the top of staircase and another at the bottom. This switch can be switched on and switched off from either of the switches. Suppose you are at the top of staircase and the light is in switch off condition. You can switch the light on as you go down, then switch it off as you leave. Similarly, as you go up the staircase, you can switch on the light provided at the bottom and as switch it off later from the switch provided at the top. Third point is a two-way switch wiring circuit diagram and its working. It's a diagram of two-way switch wiring. The two-way switch is nothing but a single pole double through switch. Two-way switch has a total of three terminals named L1, L2 and the common terminals. The upper and lower terminals are named L1, L2. The middle terminal is known as common. There are two positions to operate the two-way switch. In position 1, the common terminal is connected to terminal L1 and the position 2, the common terminal is connected to terminal 2. Connection procedure. First, connect the L1 terminal of both switches together. Second, connect the L2 terminal of both switches together. Third, connect the common terminal of switch 1 to the phase or live terminal of this power supply. Fourth, connect the common terminal of switch to any one terminal of the light. Fifth, connect the rest terminal of the light to the neutral terminal of the power supply. Operation of the circuit. When the common terminal of switch 1 is connected to L1 and the common terminal of switch 2 is connected to the L2, the light will glow. Same as when the common terminal of switch 1 is connected to L2 and the common terminal of switch 2 is connected to the L1, the light will glow. But when the common terminal of both switches is connected to the L1 terminal, the light will not glow. Same as when the common terminal of switch is connected to the L2 terminal, the light will not glow. Hello guys, let's understand the staircase wiring with this simple model. Here we using two-way switches with LED bulb as a load. We made the connection as per the circuit diagram. The red wire is used for phase connection and blue is for neutral. The neutral is directly connected to the bulb from the source and the switching circuit is connected in phase wire. Here you can see connection of two-way switches. So L1 of switch 1 is connected to L1 of switch 2 and L2 of switch 1 to L2 switch 2. Common terminal of switch 1 is connected to the source of common terminal of switch 2 is connected to the face of the bulb. Let's switch on this source initially. This switch 1 is on L1 position and the switch 2 is on L2 position. So bulb will not glow. Whenever you change the position of way switch either to L1 to L1 or L2 to L2, it will start glowing. In this way, so let's make first L1 to L1 connected by changing position of switch 2 from L2 to L1. See, the bulb will start glowing. Some more L2 to L2 position of switches. You can operate the bulb from both switches like this. You can also use only one switches for on and off. See this. like this. So in this way the staircase wiring used.